active. Keep rolling outside. Bottom
Guys,
three,
here's
bottom three. Close the door on the bottom.
crashes.
Get down. Hey, truck, watch it spin. Keep rolling. Watch it spin. Get through it.
How crazy was that view of Crafton over there? We're going to see that again. Now look, he comes out.
Front back all the way back. Still three with help. Still three with help. Reckon. Hang on to it
Timothy
there.
never even had time to back off, guys.
Three mid. Three mid. Easy, come middle, 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 middle. Keep coming middle. Keep coming middle.
That looks straight out of the movies. I mean, you couldn't believe that truck could fly over like that. Watch
Guys,
this
this is Junior Pearslope in 2017 here.
of his truck. There's Bell. The middle, the hole closed when they